Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video of United Math and Science. And today we will be practicing how to find the percentage of each number. So what we want to do is that in order to calculate the percentage of a certain number, we have to convert the percentage from a percentage number into its decimal form. So, as introduced in another video, when we convert something from percentage into decimal format, what we have to do is that we have to move the decimal dot by 2 digits to the left. So 1 and 2. And so therefore, 200% the decimal is right here. And moving it 2 digits to the left side, the number becomes 2 because the new location of the decimal is right here. And so therefore, this means that 200% is equal to 2, which means that 200% of 360 is equal to 2 multiplied by 360, and that gives us 720. And so therefore, the answer to problem A is 720. Now let us solve problem B. 20% of 580. %, when converted from percentage into decimal form, once again, we move the decimal place, which is right here, 2 digits to the left. And so therefore, starting right here, 1, 2, the location of the new decimal is right here. This means that 20% is equal to 0.2. This means that 20% of 580 is equal to 0.2 multiplied by 580. 0.2 multiplied by 580 is equal to 2 over 10 multiplied by 580 over 1. Right here, we can see that the zeros and the zeros cancel each other out. This means that the equation now officially becomes 2 multiplied by 58, which will give us 116. And this means that the answer to problem B is 116. Now let us solve problem C. 2%. Let us start off by converting this number from a percentage format to a decimal format. So the decimal's right here, and what we want to do is that we want to move it 2 digits to the left. 1, 2. Now this is the location of the new decimal, 0, 0. And so therefore, 2% is equal to 0.02. This means that 2% of 750 is equal to 0.02 multiplied by 750. .02 multiplied by 750 is equal to 2 over 100 multiplied by 750 over 1. Already, right here, what we can do is that we can reduce this 0 right here and this 0 right here. Now let us further simplify our fraction. This is the same as 2 times 75 gives us 150. 10 times 1 gives us 10. And so therefore, the final answer is 150 divided by 10, which is 15. And so therefore, 2% of 750 is equal to 15. And now, let us solve the last and final problem, problem D. 0.2%. We are now going to convert that from percentage to decimal format. So the decimal, as you can see, is right here. And what we're going to do is that we are going to move it 2 digits to the left. 1, 2. Here's the location of the new decimal. We're going to place 0 and 0 right here. And so therefore, 0.2% is equal to 0.002. This means that 0.2% of 630 is equal to 0.002 multiplied by 630. And we are going to calculate that right now. (0.002) multiplied by 630 is equal to 2 over 1,000 multiplied by 630 over 1. And right off the bat, we can eliminate these two zeros, which leaves us with the following. On the numerator side, 2 times 63 gives us 126. 100 multiplied by 1 gives us a denominator of 100. And to simplify this even further, all we have to do is to make the denominator 1. In order to make the denominator 1, we move the decimal right here 2 digits to the left. 1, 2. Now the denominator of 100 becomes 1. And always remember that whatever we do to the denominator, we must do to the numerator. And so therefore, for the number 126, the decimal place is right here. And because we moved the decimal of the denominator by 2 digits to the left, we must also move the decimal of the numerator number 2 digits to the left as well. 1, 2. Now, the denominator becomes 1. The numerator becomes 1.26. And 1.26 divided by 1 is equal to 1.26. And so therefore, the answer to problem D, 0.2% of 630 is equal to 1.26. And this is how you calculate the percentage of a certain number